Hello friends. Today we will discuss question answer on inflation and its impact on the Indian economy, important for various competitive examinations. Inflation and its impacts on Indian economy is important for UPSC, JPSC, BPSC, all the competitive examination. Inflation refers to a sustained rise in general price level of goods and services in an economy. It erodes purchasing power of money, affects all sections of society. In India, inflation is mainly measured through consumer price index that is known as CPI and wholesale price index that is known as WPI. The Reserve Bank of India, under the Monetary Policy Framework Agreement 2016, has set a target of maintaining inflation at 4% plus minus 2%. Hence, it may be 6%, 4 plus 2%, or 2%, 4 minus 2%. Okay. Types of inflation. First is demand pull inflation. It occurs when demand for goods and services exceeds supply. For example, festive season, demand for gold and electronics pushing up prices. Second is cost push inflation caused by rising input cost. Example is increase in crude oil prices, raising transport costs, leading to higher food prices. Third is imported inflation due to rising international prices of essential imports. Example, global increase in LNG or fertilizer prices affects Indian agriculture and energy costs. Impact on the economy. On consumers, reduces purchasing power, particularly hurting the poor and middle classes. On producers, higher prices may improve profit margins, but cost escalation reduce competitiveness. On government, while indirect tax revenue rise with inflation, fiscal burden on subsidies and welfare schemes increases. On growth, moderate inflation 3 to 6% can stimulate growth, but high inflation greater than 6 or 7% destabilizes economy and discourages savings and creates uncertainty. Pull from recent context, during 2022-23, India witnessed high food inflation due to heat waves affecting wheat production and supply chain disruptions in vegetables. The Russia-Ukraine war further pushed up global crude oil and fertilizer prices, leading to imported inflation. In response, the RBI raised the repo rate several times to curb excess demand. The government imposed restrictions on wheat and rice exports to stabilize domestic supplies. So we can conclude that inflation